I can't even see the Moggill ferry. Well, I guess cockatoos like having a drink of fresh water occasionally. I suppose they don't like drinking flooded water. Well, after looking at that video a bit closer, I think it may be injured. So I'm just going to check it out. It's moved, see it there? It's moved from the edge of the pool. Hello, Cocky. Over into the oh. Okay, well, scratch that off. It flew away. Okay. Well, obviously doesn't have an injured wing. Well, I'm just about to attempt to get through to where it was blocked the other day, as you saw on my drone footage. It's marvellous. It just came down like I was a day late posting the video, but look at that. Where's Barnaby? Is he back? Nope. But look, see all the dirt on the road. The keeper of Barnaby, which is Joanne, as you've probably seen on my video. Look at all that dirty road. Wow. It's just incredible how quickly... Okay, roadwork ahead. Funny that. Oh, there's a shipping container. Very good. I just can't believe, because when you saw my last video flying over this, it was like, wow. I don't know how deep it got, but there was a shipping container right there, and you saw me fly way above them. So yeah, miraculously the roads were open this morning, and they had a whole lot of the community. I'll just show you around. We flew over those. Check out that video if you haven't seen it. This is where I stopped the other day and also flew in the corner there and looked up that road there. Just a quick video here for you. So yeah, they had a lot of people were out with shovels this morning cleaning up. So anyway, finally we should be able to get through. I believe the traffic jam was miles long this morning and quite a big queue. Should be able to get through to get some milk, so that'll be very handy. So there's heading towards Gary's place, who was also blocked in, because certain parts of the road were blocked in worse than others. And where you saw me fly over that bridge with the drone, apparently just yesterday it was low enough that, well, a guy was ferrying people across in his tinny, which is a little powerboat, small one, and he saw a couple of quote-unquote 2 large sharks. So that'd be bull sharks, which unfortunately the Brisbane River is full of. So yeah, he said you could probably, was low enough that you could probably, I'll just flip this around, you could probably wade across like waist deep, but he doesn't recommend it, funnily enough. So yeah, see all the mud out here and on the trees. So a little bit further down towards Kenmore, which is our destination today, people have got things put out. This was all underwater. Yeah, so we definitely, as I said, there's rubbish out there. Not as bad as the 2011 floods or earlier. There's some crews still cleaning up there. Thanks everyone for helping. well, the garden centre's copped it really bad. And the lights are on the blink, literally. Yeah, so I'd say a couple of days I'll probably get water trucks in, ironically, more water, and clean up the road. So anyway, yeah, it's 4:30 in the afternoon here. You see where the water's damaged things there. So it's 4:30 in the afternoon here, and yeah, it's cleaned up enough to get through, obviously. Sad that some people lost their things. Yay, we've made it to Kenmore. Excellent. Freedom! Yeah, if we can get the rest of the world to follow that theory of freedom, that'd be cool. Alright, so going to grab some milk here from Aldi actually. I have to go through this way anyway tomorrow. Long way around, because I need to go to Ipswich and I can't go the other way. Moggill ferry's still closed. And you can't get through to College's Crossing. Obviously it's flooded and quite damaged, so that's what happens. Well, here we are in the future, a day later, and I can't even see the Moggill ferry. So way down there is where you normally catch the Moggill ferry, but I can't even see the thing. Maybe they've taken it away for the moment, because I live way across there, across the river and up a few kilometres or miles. Anyway, now we know what it's like. Let's go back to the future, or the past. I'm not sure which it is. Anyway, g'day to a couple of people actually that came up and recognised me from YouTube, and nice to make your acquaintance. And also a g'day to new subscribers. Thanks so much for joining my channel. I hope you like it. Have a look around, there's quite a lot of variety. Just on the way back. I didn't realise still coming through this way that just where it joins Moggill Road was also flooded on the back, the old road I guess you'd call it. Oh boy, well, there we go. Anyway, it's always a scenic drive. Okay, cheers for now everyone. Hope you got through the floods if you're in Brisbane, or it's moved down south now, so yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.